Welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn about how to use the window actions command in the Automation Anywhere with multiple live example. Let's start. In the commands panel you can see window actions command. When you expand this you can see the subcommands of activate window, close window, maximize window, minimize window, resize window, and the final one is get active window title. So let's start with activate window. So you can use this command when you need to activate an application which is already running. That means using this command you cannot open any applications, just you can activate the windows. In order to open the applications you can use the other commands such as open program and the open applications, something like that you can use. Using this we are going to activate the window. So currently I have notepad in my window, so I will activate this one. For that just you need to specify your window title. If your window title is not available in the drop down, click on refresh, it will be available after that. So just click on save the task and execute. So now what will happen is it will activate the window successfully. Runtime window has been started. Yeah, the notepad has been activated. So I will disable this one. Next I will show you how to resize your windows. Just drag and drop the resize window and select the window, specify the window name, selected, and capture. Once you click on capture you can see 4 lines. Yeah, we got 4 lines. Just you need to select where you want to store your resize your window. So click on save the task and execute. Now you can see the selected window has been resized in the particular selected areas. Yeah, previously it was in the full size, right? But when you execute this task it will resize based on our selection. So I am running the task. You can see the results. It's resized, the window has been resized successfully based on the selections. So I'll disable and maximize the window. So just drag and drop maximize window, just select the window title, click on save the task and execute this time. This time you can see the notepad window will be maximized, the full screen, like, yeah, perfect. Hope you can see now the screen has been maximized successfully. The minimize also the same. And get active window title. For that first you need to, when your task is running you can see the active window title. So currently I don't have any. I can use it, it will display the Automation Anywhere name. For that just you need to assign to variable. So I will assign this to clipboard variable and I will display the active window title in the message box. So I will use message box. Press F2, clipboard, insert, save the task and will execute. So at this time you can see the active window title. The current active window is Automation Anywhere task editor. However, runtime window, okay, in the runtime window is a current active window. If you are activated any other application, something like I will activate other applications. So notepad, same notepad I will activate it. At this time I have activated the notepad, so it will display the name as notepad window title. So I am expecting the same answers. Perfect. Here you can see the notepad window title. Based on this you can use multiple times. Based on the scenario you can use this option. I'll disable this one. Close window is nothing but it will close the particular selected window. Just click on save, execute this task. Runtime window has been started. Here you can see I don't have notepad right now. All the notepad has been closed. Window has been closed.